All right, guys, 1976 Pontiac Trans Am, pushing 700 horses, he says. So what we got done on this beautiful beast, it's got long tube headers. He had somebody else put that on. There and there, or mid-length headers. Sorry, guys, not long tube, mid-length. Then they ran 3-inch pipe. And then what we did is added an X pipe, 3-inch in, 3-inch out, and added 2 BORLAS Pro accesses, part number 40358. There'll be a link in the description for them. Look at that, it's sexy. And there's the part number on the X pipe, AX3030. There'll be a link in the description for it also. But there's the BORLAS Pro accesses. And then we couldn't run them over the rear end because of the fuel lines in the tank. So we just dumped them for now. Once he rerun, he's gonna get a fuel cell. Then he'll bring it back and we'll run the tailpipes for him out the back. But there it is. So it's got dumps on it right there. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. And there it is, Trans Am. This is what it had on its side pipes. We took those off with glass packs. We took them off and ran new. Make it sound better, make it look better. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. 1976 Trans Am. 7 years in the making, and he's still working on it. Much better. Now you're actually able to drive it. It sounds good. Now you can drive it. Here's sound decibels. Again. Again. Right at 90, pushing 700 horse, guys. Again. 93. Go ahead and back it out. What color are you going to paint it? Green. Here. So much better. Just wait till you get on it now. You're gonna see a whole difference in power. A hood scoop too. I know you guys like your classics, so whenever we get them in, we put them on. No project too big or small. Sounds so much better. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Smoke!